Hi everyone, this is going to be a video walkthrough of how you can pull in data from different platforms or your internal systems onto Bitscale in a custom manner. So the most prominent way to do this in the industry is by the use of webhooks, and that is how we also recommend our users do this. And in this video, I'll just be showing you how you can set up your first grid with a webhook as an input and how you can push data to that webhook, right? So first of all, simply go to new grid and you would see an option to import data from webhook right here. Just click on that and click on create new grid. So this will create a grid for you, and which you can use to set up enrichments or automations, basically all of your processes that you would want to set up after the data has been pulled in. And to pull in the data, you can utilize the curl request available right here. So you head to the load data button right here, click on that, click on the webhook, the source that you've just created. Since Bitscale allows for multiple sources, you can also add this as another source into a grid which you have already set up, right? So just click on that and you will find the curl command right here and the URL right here. Now, if you're getting data from, say, another platform like Instantly or Smart Leads, things like alerts, etc. And so if you want to push it to Bitscale, you can simply just paste this URL on their platform and that is good to go, very honestly. In case you want to incorporate this into your internal systems, you can copy this curl command. Basically, you don't have to change a lot here. All you really need to do is the data points that you want to push to Bitscale should be available here as key and values. For example, if you want to push the first name of a person, their company, and maybe their phone number, these three data points, you need to maintain three key value pairs with name here and the value against their name right here, then a comma, the phone number as the title, then the actual phone number value, and so on. And if you set this up, you can push that to Bitscale, and all of that would be available in the source. I'll show you how. Just give me a second. All right, so I've just sent up a simple payload of my email and name. And if I head back over to Bitscale and reload, okay, the webhook has been received. I can just open this and then I can create new columns with the values that I have just received. So email becomes one column and name becomes one column, and the values associated with these two columns get auto-populated. So that is how you can bring in data via webhooks. A fairly simple process, really. This could be kind of the initial step in case you are sort of setting up automated re-enrichment workflows, or you're connecting Bitscale as a middle layer in your any external workflow in those situations. So let me know if you have any questions, and you can reach out to us on our community channel anytime. Cheers, bye.